How to make your fairy door for the garden or inside your home. So get your piece of wood. I'm using two, but certainly one would be easier. Get your horseshoe. And start marking the outside of the horseshoe with a pen. So there's a horseshoe marked out. So let's start cutting it out with a saw. And that's it cut out. You notice there's a little notch at the top here. And that's so the top stud of the shoe can fit in. Be flush. I've also tied the backs together with a bit of plastic, but if you're using one piece you don't need that. This would be a good time to paint the wood. I'm just using some fence paint. That's it finished painted. Just allow it to dry. So for the horseshoe, I'm going to get some metal paint that can paint right to rust. And that's the metal paint applied. That will take about 2 hours to dry. Next we need to screw the horseshoe to the panel that we've made. There's various holes in the horseshoe, you can do this. There you go, totally connected. So I just got a couple latches from a hardware store. Just tuck it in the corner. And the other one. It'll make it look like it opens. And again, another screw here. Now we just need a handle. I got this off an old wardrobe. So I'll put a screw in the back, put it through. We'll attach the handle. And you're done. Now you can use this inside or outside.